Okay, you might be wondering why nagkaganito ako kasi ngayon. Kasi grabe, hindi lang ata makita sa video pero ngayon is a little dusty, so that's why may libre ako pa-mask. And then, because bumili ako sa kanila, may mask sila. And then by the way, just a little information lang. Just a little information. Wait, saglit lang, papasok muna ako. Hello D. Just a little or additional information lang. Just in case lang na wala kayong N95. Again, kung wala kayong N95 na mask, you can use this face mask or the surgical mask. And then what you're gonna do is like this. Take 2 tissues. Actually 3 na to. So dalawa lang. 2 tissue. 2 tissue. Dalawa na to. And then, lagay mo dyan. Fold. And then, you have to put it like that. And, take it like this. So, ito na yun. Oh, here. Oh, here, guys. Oh, here. This is how you're gonna put this. Actually, by making this. Okay, sa ganitong paraan, kahit pa paano, in some other way, it can reduce the particles 70 to 90%. Kahit pa paano. Kasi, dito, okay, eto, yung pinakita ko kanina, sa N95. Kaya tinatawag to na N95 kasi it will filter 95% of the particles. Kaya N95. So, eto, the surgical mask using the 2 tissues, so 70 to 90%, kahit pa paano ang ma-filter niya. So, ayun lang. Just an additional note lang, just in case you don't have the N95. And by the way, marami nagsabi na baliktaran daw to, but according to my dentist and according to the shop also, ganito daw talaga dapat. Ganito dapat, wala daw talagang baliktaran. I don't know if it's really correct, but you can check it. Pwede nyo ma-check yan sa other sources, but according to my sources, the dentist and the one in the shop, but ganito daw talaga. Ang explanation ng taga-shop doon is because, here, logical ang explanation niya. If you're gonna take a look at this one, here, tingnan nyo. This one. So, di ba? Kung babaliktarin mo, tingnan mo. Hindi ko lang alam. Ayun. Dito talaga ang inner. So, parang kung sa damit din yan, nandito ito yung parang tulad dito. Parang ganito. Ayun. Dito, parang ganito din. So, sa puti. So, dapat, ito ang loob talaga. Ito ang loob, ang puti. Then the blue is outside. And that's also according to my dentist. That's all.